Hello, adventurers! Today we are diving into the enchanting world of trekking in India. Get ready to explore stunning landscapes, breathe in the crisp mountain air, and feel the thrill of reaching new heights. Whether you are an experienced trekker or a beginner, India's trails offer an unforgettable experience. Have you ever wondered why June and July are the perfect months for trekking in India? In this video, I'll be guiding you to the best trekking places in India as well as safety tips for a memorable journey. Let's get started. Trekking in India is not just a recreational activity, it's a soul-stirring experience that allows you to connect with nature in its purest form. From the majestic Himalayas to the lush western Ghats, India offers a diverse range of terrains for trekkers of all skill levels. Now you might be wondering why choose June and July for your trekking adventure? Despite the summer heat, these months bring unique opportunities for trekking enthusiasts. With clear skies, verdant landscapes, and fewer crowds on the trails, June and July offer an ideal setting for an immersive trekking experience. Let's dive into the exciting world of trekking destinations awaiting you in June and July. Rupkund Trek. Our first stop is the Rupkund Trek, renowned for its enigmatic glacial lake nestled amidst the towering peaks of the Himalayas. As you trek through dense forests, charming villages, and rugged terrain, you will unravel the mystery of Rupkund Lake, which is often referred to as the Skeleton Lake due to the skeletal remains found along its shores. Valley of Flowers Trek. Next up, we have the Valley of Flowers Trek, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the picturesque state of Uttarakhand. This enchanting valley bursts into various of colors during the monsoon season, with a myriad of alpine flowers blanketing the landscape in vibrant hues. Hampta Pass Trek. For those seeking an adrenaline-pumping adventure, the Hampta Pass Trek offers a thrilling journey through the dramatic landscapes of Himachal Pradesh. Nestled in the heart of the Himalayas, this trek offers a perfect blend of adventure and natural beauty. From lush green valleys to towering snow-capped peaks, every step unveils a new wonder waiting to be explored. If you're enjoying this video, then please like us and share your experience in the comment box below. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you have any suggestion, do let us know. Kedarkantha Trek. As we venture further into the heart of the Himalayas, the Kedarkantha Trek beacons with its mesmerizing vistas and alpine meadows. This trek is ideal for both beginners and seasoned trekkers, offering a perfect blend of adventure and scenic beauty. Traversing through dense pine forest and snow-capped peaks, you will witness nature in its purest form, with every step unveiling a new wonder. Rupin Pass Trek. Prepare to embark on an epic journey across the Rupin Pass, where rugged landscapes and pristine wilderness await. This challenging trek takes you through lush forests, meandering rivers, and snow-clad valleys. Crossing glacial rivers and navigating rocky terrain, you will experience the thrill of adventure like never before. Har Ki Dun Trek. Step into the untouched wilderness of the Har Ki Dun Valley, where nature's splendor unfolds at every turn. This picturesque trek offers a glimpse into the rustic charm of remote Himalayan villages and verdant meadows dotted with wildflowers. With towering peaks as your backdrop, you will immerse yourself in the serene beauty of this hidden gem tucked away in the Garhwal region. Goichala Trek. For those craving panoramic vistas of the world's third highest peak, the Goichala Trek promises an unforgettable adventure. Located in the pristine wilderness of Sikkim, this trek offers unrivaled views of the majestic Kanchenjunga along with a diverse array of flora and fauna unique to the region. Traverse through rhododendron forest, alpine meadows, and high mountain passes as you soak in the awe-inspiring beauty of the Himalayas. Tarsar Marsar Trek. Embark on a journey to discover the hidden treasures of the Tarsar Marsar lakes, nestled amidst the rugged terrain of Kashmir. This orbit trek takes you off the grid, offering a peaceful retreat amidst pristine alpine lakes and towering peaks. With each step, you will be mesmerized by the serene beauty of the surroundings as you forge unforgettable memories in the lap of nature. Pin Parvati Pass Trek. Prepare for an adrenaline-fueled adventure across the formidable Pin Parvati Pass, where rugged terrain and high altitude challenges await. This demanding trekking trek tests your endurance and determination as you traverse rocky slopes, icy glaciers, and high mountain passes. With breathtaking views of the Parvati Valley and Pin Parvati Peak, this trek offers a truly immersive experience for seasoned adventurers. Gomukh Tapovan Trek. Experience the spiritual essence of the Himalayas with the Gomukh Tapovan Trek, which leads you to the sacred source of the Ganges River. Trekking through the Gangotri Glacier, you will witness the awe-inspiring sight of the Gomukh, where the mighty river emerges from the depths of the mountains. Markha Valley Trek. Immerse yourself in the rich cultural tapestry of Ladakh with the Markha Valley Trek, where ancient monasteries and traditional villages dot the landscape. This trek takes you through the picturesque valleys and barren landscapes, offering a glimpse into the unique way of life of the Ladakhi people. With its stunning vistas and warm hospitality, the Markha Valley is a destination like no other. Now that we have explored some of the best trekking destinations in India, it's time to plan your own adventure. Here are a few tips to help you make the most of your trekking experience. First, take the time to learn about the terrain, weather conditions, and difficulty level of the trek before embarking on your journey. Pack essential gear and equipment, including sturdy hiking boots, warm clothing, a first aid kit, and plenty of snacks and water. Build your stamina and endurance through regular exercise and hiking practice to prepare for the physical demand of trekking. Leave no trace and follow the principles of responsible trekking by minimizing your impact on the environment. Be prepared for changes in weather and trail conditions and always have a backup plan in case of emergencies. Few tips for summer trekking. Before you lace up your hiking boots and hit the trails, it's essential to prioritize safety. Here are some tips to ensure a safe and enjoyable trekking experience during the summer months. Drink plenty of water to prevent dehydration, especially in hot and humid conditions. Wear sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses to shield your skin and eyes from harmful UV rays. Opt for lightweight, breathable clothing that wicks away sweat and dries quickly. Take frequent breaks and listen to your body's signal to avoid overexertion. Keep an eye on weather forecast and be prepared for sudden changes in weather conditions. That's all, fellow travelers. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.